Good morning, kids. How are you all? I am your art and craft teacher. Today we are going to make a tree with the use of earbuds. In this, we are using watercolors, earbuds. We will tie it like this. Tie earbuds like this. If you don't have earbud, you can use matchstick and you can stick cotton on it. Take three colors, yellow, green and red, and take on the earbud like this, and we will do it like this. Take again and again, do it like this on the whole tree, because we are making tree. Yesterday was Earth Day, na? That's why we are making tree today. You all do it like this with the use of earbud. What we are using? We are using earbuds. And we are making a tree like this. Make the whole tree like this. Okay, kids? Do all of you? See? It's looking so nice and beautiful. Do it like this. We will do here also, because we are making tree. That's why we all have to do it like this. Do it like this. Do all of you fast with your teacher. You all are enjoying now? We're making a so beautiful tree. We all will make, and like this. Very good. You all are doing now, babies. Do it well. Do it fast like this. It's looking so beautiful, na? Very good. And our tree is completed. It's looking so pretty. Do it fast.